Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and I have a story for you today. As you know, we manufacture suspension for the armored vehicles, and on occasions, our clients have to test multiple systems. So today, what I'm going to tell you is about a test that just occurred, and it includes the usual suspects. Now, if you can see on this road, this is where they're driving these vehicles. Now, normally the tests are done around 100 kg to 125 kg to test acceleration, test braking, and test curb checks. That's going from curb to curb in sharp, vigorous, fast motions. This tests the suspension with this armored vehicle. The armored vehicle in particular, TLC 200, armored to 4.5 tons. So when you're doing these sharp turns, it forces all that weight to go to one side to the other. So now, this particular client, as I said, is testing his vehicle. 3 of the systems out of 4, or actually 2 of the systems out of 4, he was afraid to go above 65 kilometers an hour. And on one of those, at 65 kilometers an hour, he come around this corner right here behind you, 65 kilometers an hour, which shifted all the way to the left-hand side of the vehicle. When that occurred, the shock broke, causing the vehicle to slam all the way left. As you can see from the marks, jumped the curve here. The vehicle came up on 3 tires high enough that it hit here and slammed into this concrete wall. Upon doing that, the heavy-duty rims that were supposedly made for this vehicle shattered, as did the run flap. That's a scary thing, considering you have 4.5 tons and these vehicles are meant to be lifesavers. So at the end of this, he got on to the last test, which was us, the Outback Armour. As he went around the corner, he would come around these corners at 65 to 70 kilometers an hour, straight down the runway to get acceleration, slamming on the brakes to test the braking capacity and how the suspension reacts to all the weight shifting forward. Then he'll go over speed bumps, come around the second corner, accelerate around the third corner, and down this next runway he does curb checking. And they always curb check before they hit a corner to simulate real world action. With the Outback Armour Suspension, he felt comfortable enough and safe enough to do these corners at 80 kilometers an hour and drive the vehicle doing curb checks at over 100 kilometers an hour. I would love to show you the vehicle and the client, but unfortunately, we've been asked to keep that confidential, and that makes sense. And if you walk with me, you can see he'll accelerate through here, and then before you get to the corner, he'll start doing a curb check to the left, and then sharply turn it to the right. This way the vehicle has to come into a motion, an evasive maneuver. Then he'll reach the straightaway and accelerate as fast as he can comfortably, slam on the brakes, reaccelerate, and then start doing curb checks. This is all very important for the suspension. As I've mentioned before, Outback Armour Suspension is designed for the application in which it is used in the vehicle. And as you can see from here, once he makes these curves, then he has this long straightaway that he will accelerate and go as quickly as he can, slam on the brakes, and go from wall to curb, wall to curb, wall to curb, and continue to do that. I just wanted to share this with you folks so you understand that Outback Armour Suspension is designed specifically for the application which it is used. And we feel very happy and excited that our clients will share their stories with us about how they felt safe and they felt comfortable by using the Outback Armour Suspension. I appreciate your time, and I hope everybody is staying safe during this coronavirus crisis. But understand this, Outback Armour, we have thousands, hundreds of different kits in stock. We have spent our profits to sure that our warehouses are fully stocked so we can assist you in this time of crisis. Just give us a call.